Welcome to 10 Southridge Trail. This magnificent property sits on 9.83 acres. It's a recently renovated and updated home with 2+1 bedrooms, a walkout basement, a newly installed in-ground pool, and views all around. Come on inside and have a look at this tremendous home. And now we're inside this beautiful home. As you can see, it's a nice and spacious foyer. You've got lots of light, a little bench to sit, and a double closet. Let's go and have a look at the rest of the house. Here we are inside the kitchen. We've got honed marble and granite counters. The cabinets have been made by Cameo kitchens, and we've got really high-end stainless steel appliances that are included, along with there's a little coffee nook here and a pantry. Come around and let's see the double-sided stone fireplace. On the other side of the kitchen, we've got this beautiful stone floor-to-ceiling fireplace, as well as another aspect. So it's a double-sided fireplace. You've got lovely wood beams in the ceiling, huge picture window with a view of the Toronto skyline, and you can see the CN Tower today. It's a beautiful sunny day out there. And here we are in the room with a view. You've got magnificent views, again, basically from all sides of this house, but this one is particularly special. And this is the living room, which is adjacent to the great room in the kitchen, and again has a fireplace aspect. And here we are in the screened-in Muskoka room, which adds a terrific amount of living space. This is where you would spend your summer evenings having dinner with this magical view behind you. And it has access to the pool and the pool house behind, and the hiking trails are beyond that. This has been recently renovated, and it's a lovely addition to the living space. And adjacent to the kitchen, we've got this lovely dining room, which has a pocket door, and then the bedrooms are down here. Let's have a look at those. Okay, and now we're in the beautiful primary bedroom. As you can see, the views never get old at this home. Wherever you go in the house, there are magical views. Imagine waking up to this every morning. You've got lots of space, a nice vaulted ceiling. You've got 2 double closets. And off the primary is the beautiful ensuite. You've got honed marble countertops. You've got Cameo kitchen cabinetry and your sink, tub shower, and toilet. And now we're downstairs in the basement. You see this expansive space has a large primary bedroom as well as an office that's being used as a child's bedroom. You've got walkout doors to the garage, a newly updated bathroom with a glass shower, and this terrific space. And this concludes our tour of 10 Southridge Trail, this magnificent property with abundant views and a real sense of tranquility and peace. Is situated on a private road, so you don't get a lot of traffic. It's very close to Caledon Ski Club, really close to Highway 10. You can go to Bell Fountain for a coffee, very close to Orangeville for amenities. And as you can see, it's your own private paradise. Thank you for taking this time to view this video.